Hi, this is Manesh Patel with blackbar.com. Today we're going to discuss the weekly results for the TNT trades, our AI forecasting tool that tells you that something's going to happen on the next bar. There's no mathematical formula you need to know, no Excel calculations you need to do, or anything like that. We basically give you a black bar on the chart. It tells you that something's going to happen, high probability on the next bar. So all you have to do is set up the trade and manage the trade. That's it. It's as simple as that. Okay, so let's go through the results for this week for stocks and currencies. Remember, you could use this for any instant in any time frame. We do not discriminate on anything at all. Okay, so let's go through the charts. Here is a chart here. This is AZO, and we're going to show you this chart here. So let me spread this out so you can see it more. You have a black bar here. The shade on that black bar does not matter. The shade on the current bar that you're looking to trade matters here completely. So here, what you're looking for is a green shade or red shade. If you have a green shade, that means you're going to bet on it going up. If you have a red shade, that means you're going to bet on it going down. If there's no shade, no trade for high probability scenarios at all. Okay, so that answers the question of which direction. Next question is where. Where is the entry? Where is the initial stop? Where is your target? And that's the next question. Well, if you're betting on it going up, you want to bet a couple of points above this black bar high, which is this blue dot right there. If the shade was red, you bet on it a couple of points below that low, which is this blue dot right there. So we give you a bullish entry dot and bearish entry dot. Then it's up to you to decide which way to take the trade. The red dot is your conditional stop. Since it's a green background, we're going to buy here. This would be a buy stop order since you're doing a breakout. There's there. Our stop would be this little red dot right there. And that's your risk right there. And if you shrink this down, you'll see some blue crosses, which is right here. So the potential for this trade here is 24 to 1 or 2,400% based on your risk. If you look at the end of the week, we closed out with 6 to 1, which is a 600%. Now, what you're looking for is 3 to 1 or more. Technical analysis does not matter unless money management's there. Money management is what's going to be the key to your success. That's consistency is what you need, okay? Because win-loss ratio really doesn't matter no matter what retail people tell you. It's the win-loss ratio. You need to maintain a 3 to 1 or more. That way your winners cover your losses, especially during consolidation pattern. And then when you start to win big compared to winning small. So the key here is 3 to 1. So if we don't see a 3 to 1 at least on our trades, then we're going to walk away. So technical analysis is second priority compared to money manager. So this is a profitable trade here. You could see that we entered here at the end of the week. We were profitable 5 to 1 or more. And so that was a profitable trade. Here is TRIP, TRIP. This was a trade that opened here, went up, then went down, hit our entry and closed out positive at the end of the week. This is a trade here that opened here and went down a little, then got to our entry, went all the way up here, and then came back. This purple line here is part of our money management trading plan. So what happens is once you go above it and then come back to here, you're going to change your stop to break even for this bar. So in this trade here, it went below our entry, so this got out at break even. This here also got out at break even. This here got out at break even. These are no trades here at all. So these are no trades at all because they never entered at the blue dot. They're shades, but never entered here. Never entered here. Never entered here. So that for the high probability scenarios, you have basically 2 inning trades and 3 break even. Not bad at all. You still ended up profitable at the end of the week, even with the markets fluctuating the way they did with a lot of volatility. Okay, So now let's look at the no shade trades. So we have a trading plan in here for the no shade trades where you want to see drawdown before you break a high or low. And in these situations here, this is a winning trade here. This is gasoline, so this is a counter trend trade. Notice one thing, it's been going down for a while here, and now all of a sudden you had first week here a push up. This was a profitable trade here. Let's see if this week it continues to go up or not. Jupiter, this is a telecom stock. And this is profitable here. Barely profitable, but still profitable. Corn was an interesting one to see. This was basically going down, closed towards the low of the week. This was bearish. That was a nice profitable trade. Nike here gapped down and then came back and filled the gap. And then the magical question is, which way is it going to go? It came back and came up here and turned out to be a profitable trade at the end of the day, end of the week, sorry. DBC, this is a trade that got out of break even. KC got out of break even. AME, no trade. Tesco, no trade. MRO, no trade. BMY, no trade. Starbucks, no trade. This one, no trade. Schwab, News Corp, nothing. Inuit, nothing. Humana, nothing. And EQIX, nothing. Okay, so that concludes this week for the results for the weekly time frame for the U.S. stocks, currencies, and futures. You basically ended up, if you look here, 6 winners and about 5 break-even trades. Remember, the TNT works on any estimate and any time frame, but for results, we're giving you the weekly results for U.S. stocks and currencies and so forth. If you look in the YouTube description, you'll see the link for a trading room for the black bar. That's where you'll see it work for various different time frames and various different instruments out there. Also, if you like this video, please like and share this video so that more people hear about the TNT concept and see how forecasting should be done with money management. Thank you and have a good day.